ladies. Just wait. It is Malibay.
That's the name.
Malibay. Oh, you talk. You talk na. How many times you go to Oh, you talk.
I want to go to 160.
You talk na. Oh,
I wanted to go to 160.
speak louder.
I have a hoarse voice. Oh yes, I know the next station. Is this the next station?
Oh, you read. Ayun, Libertad.
Kilala ano ngayon, tropa siya ni Tay.
Can we go down?
No, later in Carriedo.
No, not Candiedor. 168!
No.
No! Yes, I mean, yes. And this is my third time. I should go to the 160.
What is the next station?
I don't know. Maybe Calledor?
Kuya.
Oh no, guys. So wrong. I wanted to wear my ID on the train. It's okay. How itchy.
Ako. Ako sit properly.
Oh, I did read the car. Buyat.
Next stop, Binocoro Station. Safety reminders, manatili po natin laging nakahawak sa mga safety handbrake. Huwag tandaan na magabi ang pintuan. Huwag din po natin gagalawin ang emergency devices na matatagpuan sa ibabang pinto. Maraming salamat po,
I
maganda.
wanted to buy more toys. I wanted to buy more. And more. And more. And more. And more. And more. Vito Cruz. I know all the stations, Tatay. Gilpula. No one is not going down in Gilpula. The museum, I want to go there. Della Sate.
Next stop, Birin Station.
What's this station? What's this kind of museum? Yes, it.
You read.
I want to go to 1953's museum. Because I want to go to Biakna Batu. I need it silver. I'm gonna clean coins. But I want it to be silver. Is this corridor?
What?
This is not yet corridor yet. Who's gonna go down there?